Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of See a Slurp with Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today I'm experimenting with pasta again, so I'm making a fresh spinach pasta with pesto and salmon. I'm relatively new to making pasta and I wanted to see if I can incorporate spinach and just make it a little bit healthier. And there were definitely some complications, so be careful on the moisture and really gotta squeeze out the spinach after you cook it. My dough ended up being a little bit too sticky, but it was still workable. It was just hard to rip apart the pastas separately, so just keep that in mind. But if you want to follow my journey, let's go ahead and give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the link down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell just in the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. See you guys next week.